No neutral, please.
One time I stay in this lane, another time in that one.
Yeah.
So he said, okay, he preferred this one.
Fine, you need to choose the lane now. Which lane you'll be taking?
The one car going, the small car.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. So I'll give the
watching
right
this
signal.
mirror, yeah, watching no signal, just follow that lane.
Follow.
Just watching the right mirror. Now signal, now mirror signal. Watch the right mirror again. That mirror.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because it's narrow and people need to speed up on the right.
Third gear. Don't drive on the cycle lane, please.
Yeah.
Second rule, don't go closer.
I don't know why he become too slow.
You never know, maybe we have a new car.
Yeah.
Maybe look for that dress.
Maybe looking set network next.
Maybe look for the set number.
So now here is actually 3 lane. It doesn't
Center.
look like center. Yeah.
Because if you're the first one,
I should stay behind him, innit?
yeah, don't put neutral, please. That's a serious fault. Either put it in gear.
Yeah.
Try not to hold in the neutral. When you change, try to change it.
Straight.
Yeah. Keep the third gear maximum. Brake lights are on. And the next roundabout, follow sign towards East Ham, and second roundabout, follow sign towards Rumford, please. This is serious fault. You only put in neutral when you already stopped, not in the road, please. So East Ham and then Rumford, please.
Middle lane is okay?
Center is fine. Don't off the gas. Try to get you.
Yeah.
If you get with this, be careful.
So how he come?
You need to see.
I saw him, but
Then slow down.
yeah.
Don't race with it. Don't go with the.
No, East Ham, yeah?
Yeah. No, Rumford.
So I stay in this lane.
Yes.
His target was he will come, this learner car.
You need to control the car.
Yeah. In some scenario in roundabout, sometimes you can make it, but
And at the moment it's
taking
fine.
time is better
Yeah, it's
because
fine.
sometimes they can speed up, like this one.
Yeah, exactly. This is your gap now.
Yeah.
That's the only gap you got.
Yeah. So I just think that.
Ease off. Be off the gas.
Yeah.
Signal down. This way. Ease off gas. Ease off gas. You're going very in a competition.
Car behind is too close.
Change the lane to the left side. It's close to 50 now. You know, sign is there on the back. 50 miles per hour. Straight with gear 5 now. From 3 to 5. Gas going on and off, on and off.
Steering.
So, no gas pedal, you know, you're going gas off, on, off.
Yeah.
You know?
So I should keep it.
Keep it nice, steady, 49 miles per hour.
Now I put
You need to control yourself
I
that you.
put the cruise control. Is
It's
it
fine, no problem. But if you don't use the cruise control, don't go off or on off. Because you use the brake, it's going to cancel, the cruise control. Then
Yeah.
make sure you got 2 second gap. Fall in the upper direction. Off the gas. See the traffic head is
Yeah.
So you need to control the gas pedal. Instructor. Brake lights are on, 2 second wheel gap. Keep
Yeah.
that 2 second wheel gap. That's it.
They are very slow now. It's 40. I should change the lane again. or-
Well, you look at Q-head, what speed you have now at the moment? 40?
No, 40.
No, 43, 40.
40 is okay.
40 is fine. You're not going to make that much difference. Keep that steady foot, don't go. Keep that steady foot on it. Try to look at your speedometer so you know what's your speed at.
Yeah.
That's good. Change it. You can use that line to change the lane. What's your speed?
Now it's 50.
49.
My one is exactly 50.
Yep. See, going on and off, on and off. It's not nice. Keep that nice steady foot. It shows that you don't have a control on your gas pedal. You want to go up to the 49, then you,
Cruise control in the test is okay?
no problem at all. As much as you want to use the cruise control when it's
Yeah.
safe to do so, you can.
Because I normally use cruise control for myself.
Fine, no problem. Try to
That's why-
get yourself using the nice pedal also.
Yeah, yeah. So when I need, I just give gas. Normally I brake less,
Mm.
like this. I put cruise control in 46, 7 like that.
No, if the road is clear, then put a cruise on
I
49.
keep the gas.
Yeah, 49.
On top I keep the gas.
No, you don't need a cruise and gas. Just cruise is fine. It's going to control your speed. You're taking Rumford 812 East.
So 5th exit.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Can you see any change of speed from here?
Yeah. 30 from there, isn't it?
Yeah. Light will change.
Yeah.
Keep the indicator on, please. Keep the indicator on.
Indicator on. Oh, yeah.
You only cancel when you go into